how to fix the problem of I can't change my Instagram picture profile. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the problem of I can't change my profile picture on Instagram. So it's so easy and quick. All you need to do is follow those steps I'm gonna give you. First thing, go to your setting. First thing you should do is clear cache of your Instagram. Click on manage apps and click on Instagram. Now click on clear data, click clear cache and click on OK. Now go back and go to your Instagram. Click on those three lines and click on setting. Click on help. Click on help and click on report a problem. Click on report a problem again and wait a second. Now explain what happened to you or what is not working on your Instagram with a screenshot, or you should take a screenshot to help you to explain to them what is your problem. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.